The measuring system is essential for cutting wood, steel, you name it. Pick a saw. It'll fit any of them. To set it up, measure 12 inches between the first stop and the saw. Then move the slider to change the distance from the stops to the saw itself. To change it back, move the slider the other way. Pull in your lumber, put it at the stop you want, and make your cut. It's that simple. Pick something off your cut list, like 5'8" for example. Move your slider to 8 inches. That's going to set the distance between the stop and the saw. Bring your board in, put it against that 5-foot stop, and then make your cut. 5'8". It's that easy. It's so accurate that positions are repeatable to within a 64th of an inch. Make another adjustment and it's ready, even before you've got the lumber loaded. The machine can be set up for right or left-hand use and can use a feet and inches or inches only system. The unit ships with 10 feet, but adding more is not a problem. It can go up to 60 feet in 5-foot increments, and one motor drives the whole thing. The stops can handle up to 3 boards at a time. If you decide to use the gang stop, you can stack a whole lot more. Each stop is incredibly durable and can take a heavy hit without letting the measurement slip. As an optional extra, the MEA can include a new racking system. A small sensor is activated when a cut is made that locks the foot stops in the upright position. With the stops out of the way, lumber can be moved down the rollers without accidentally catching on the measuring system. Releasing the stops is as easy as pushing a button. The racking feature is especially useful when dealing with longer boards on units with larger measurement extensions or interconnected systems. The machine is calibrated on one side of the power head. If anything ever goes wrong with your measuring system, the power head can easily be removed and repaired. No matter what material you're cutting or what saw you're using, the measuring system will give you accurate, dependable results every time you use it. In addition to the racking system and 60-foot extensions, we offer additional configurations, including skid mounts and a manual version of the power head. The motor is replaced by a hand crank, but operates the same way. Combine the MEA with the SCN and HSF in an interconnected system and watch your productivity soar.